Welcome back to Making Sense. Today's book is How to Attract Money by Joseph Murphy. Best lines from the book is, "The feeling of wealth produces wealth. Keep this in mind at all times. Your subconscious mind is like a bank, a sort of universal financial institution." Murphy shatters the myth of poverty as a virtue. He argues that you deserve to live a prosperous life, filled with financial security and the freedom to pursue your goals. This abundance, he explains, is not just about material wealth but also about a sense of well-being and fulfillment. First thing in the book is your subconscious money mindset. Murphy identifies the subconscious mind as the key player in attracting money. Our subconscious beliefs, often formed in childhood through societal messages or family experiences, can hold us back from achieving financial success. These beliefs might be limiting thoughts like, money is scarce, or rich people are greedy. The solution: reprogramming with positive affirmations. The book's core strategy lies in using positive affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. Affirmations are powerful statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. By consistently feeding your mind positive messages about wealth, you can dismantle limiting beliefs and create a fertile ground for prosperity. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't afford that," you might use the affirmation, "Money flows to me abundantly and effortlessly." Murphy suggests repeating affirmations, while relaxed, allowing them to sink deep into your subconscious. Visualize your success. Murphy emphasizes the power of visualization. Imagine yourself achieving your financial goals. See yourself surrounded by abundance, living comfortably, and contributing your talents to the world. This mental rehearsal creates a blueprint for your success and attracts opportunities that align with your vision. Next is, feel the feeling of being rich. Murphy goes beyond just thinking positive thoughts. He encourages you to cultivate the feeling of being rich. Imagine the emotions you would experience with financial security: joy, gratitude, peace of mind. By embodying these feelings, you send a powerful signal to the universe, attracting experiences that match your emotional state. Action without attachment. Take inspired action. While mindset is crucial, Murphy doesn't advocate for passive waiting. He emphasizes taking inspired action. This means taking steps towards your financial goals, while remaining open to opportunities that may arise unexpectedly. The key is to act from a place of faith and trust in the process, not desperation. Letting go of fear, release resistance and embrace gratitude. Fear of lack is a significant barrier to abundance. Murphy suggests techniques like meditation and prayer to release negativity and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. By appreciating what you already have, you open yourself up to receiving more. Beyond money, a life of abundance. Murphy reminds us that true wealth extends beyond money. It encompasses good health, fulfilling relationships, and a sense of purpose. By focusing on these aspects of life, you create a foundation for overall abundance that money alone cannot buy. Remember, How to Attract Money is a guide, not a guarantee. Financial success takes time, consistent effort, and a willingness to adapt your approach. However, by applying Murphy's principles and cultivating a positive money mindset, you can significantly increase your chances of achieving financial abundance and living a life filled with prosperity. So, here are the key takeaways from the book. 1. You deserve financial abundance. 2. Your subconscious mind plays a key role in attracting money. 3. Use positive affirmations and visualization to reprogram your subconscious. 4. Take inspired action towards your financial goals. 4. Release fear and cultivate gratitude. 5. True wealth encompasses more than just money. By embracing these principles and embarking on your journey of financial empowerment, you can unlock the door to a life of abundance and prosperity. That was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Hit like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.